No favoritism, no judging. Two verses to help you to not favoritism, no judging. James 2 verse 1. Do not show favoritism as you hold on to the faith in our glorious Lord Jesus Christ. John 7 verse 24. Do not judge by appearance but judge with right judgment. Love people despite how they looks. God forbid favoritism. To be guilty of it is to commit the sin. 3 tips to avoid favoritism. Number 1. Touch base with every team member to check in with them. Number 2. Keep everyone in the loop. Number 3. Cross-train and rotate jobs in the work team. Here are 3 ways to become less judgmental. Number 1. Ask yourself what you really know about the person you're judging. Number 2. Reflect upon how it feels to become judged. Notice the negative impact of judgingness on yourself and your relationship. Judging a person does not define how they are, it's define who you are. The only ones that say it doesn't exist are the ones getting it.